if people aren't spending half their energy worried that this thing is coming to get them and can spend all of their energy working on using it for what it can be used for. And so I think that's what we need to be thinking about now with AI is, okay, how does this make people's jobs as opposed to take people's jobs? And then for me, which is my passion, I go to, well, maybe it means it's not an 8-hour workday anymore. And then, I know I'm delusional in saying that because it'll never happen, but that's honestly my dream, is that people will use these tools and then we just have more time in life. Yeah. So here's the biggest thing I've enjoyed, but in like a curmudgeon-y kind of way in this conversation. I found it particularly interesting that everybody says the phrase, or not everybody, but a lot of people will use the phrase, AI is going to replace these jobs. These jobs are going to be taken away by AI. It is going to. And I'm like, people, I think everybody needs to take a step back and realize you're not afraid of AI. You're afraid of the companies and the employers who are going to look for any excuse to get rid of somebody and replace that person with either AI or with one person who can do multiple jobs. You know, in the same way, you know, it took 20 odd people to, farm a piece of land. Then the tractor was invented, and then those 20 people immediately became obsolete. I think one of the most important discussions we should be having is around people, purpose, and the plans around what we're going to do when these technologies evolve, as opposed to thinking of the technologies as some sort of boogeyman, because the technology isn't. The boogeyman is capitalism. That's the truth. If we're going to exist in a society where people's livelihoods, literally their livelihoods, are dependent on a thing called job, what happens if job no longer exists? And what if job is replaced by AI or robot or machine or anything?